Hello guys, welcome again. How are you? I think you are well. Today I'll teach you how can you install Python venv in your Windows operating system. Before I start this video tutorial, I wanna say something, guys. If you learned something through this video tutorial, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now I'm gonna teach you how can you actually install Python venv in your Windows operating system. First of all, we need to create an folder, empty folder, and rename it pyvenv, just for my instruction, okay? Otherwise it's not work. Python pyvenv, we create an folder. Now we have to open our Windows command prompt, okay? Press Windows key and press R, type here cmd, then press OK. Now you have to change directory, okay? And you have to open this folder with a command prompt like that. Just copy my command, okay? cd change directory, desktop, cd pyvenv, then press enter. Now type this command, okay? This command gonna install Python venv in your Windows operating system, okay? Type here Python venv, then press enter and wait. Yeah, we successfully install Python venv in our operating system. Now I'm gonna teach you how can you active this virtual environment, okay? Using this command with command prompt, okay? Type here. First of all, we change the directory. We have to open this directory, venv directory, with our command prompt, okay? cd venv, then press enter. Now type here period backslash scripts script slash activate, then press enter. We successfully active our Python virtual environment. I hope you like this video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, don't forget subscribe my channel, okay? Bye bye, sayonara.